Now that you've mentioned the capacity building, can I just jump to the other side of Dr. Abdullah? Was it training, or Dr. Wahid? Dr. Wahid, when you say training, what? Can you just give us a bit more on the training recommendation?
What I want to say is
training.
We need to get awareness, train all the system has multi-diversity in that you have patients who they need to understand how they got treated. And we can talk about the medical exposure or self or consent or whatever, but these things they need to be trained. Then you have doctors or physicians or decision makers medically who can make decisions. We need also authority who manage the system, they need to understand. And training will go to the level of policymaker, the residents of countries and kings and queens, tell them what's happening. So what I say is we need to keep it's not only awareness, we need to give them some hand. I know Asma will dispute or
I'm going to make sure it does not happen. No, I think the point is valid. We need training and awareness together from the patient all the way up to the absolute top. So that's very, very valid.